The question I am trying to make is, here is a man. Now this man who claims, you said the other day, if there is a history of communalism, if there is a history of crimes, is he trying to say that RSS is not a communal organization? He is a history of RSS. If he was talking about history, his house are founder members of the RSS. So what history is asking about? He is a part of that history. Unless he says that RSS is not a communal organization. Elvis Gomes, for the first time after being relieved, has spoken the truth. That he was not allowed to work sincerely. There was no room for sincere officers to work, thereby giving a very clear message that all officers there are not working sincerely. Having said that, Elvis Gomes is duty bound now, as he has been relieved, to expose which ministers were pressurizing him to work insincerely, dishonestly, and against the rule of law. If he fails to do so, he is only playing to the gallery and trying to proclaim himself holier than thou. He has to expose.
सरकारान कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टम बंद करून खंय कामगारांक रेग्युलरायज करचे.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचो आता जवळ जे लोक घेतलेले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे 2010-11 तांकां आता 5-6 वर्सां जाली आणि आता त्यांचे ऑल ऑफ सडन त्यांचे 17 जेन्ना त्यांचा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सोंपतलो तेन्ना सरकारा कडेन कसलीच तांकां सेक्युरिटी ना. वन शॉट तांकां कामवयल्यान काडून ते उडोवंक शकता. हांगा आमचें एलिगेशन इतलेंच आसा की आता इलेक्शन इयर जवळ जवळ 450 कामगार आता ते घेता आणि हे कामगार घेता आसतना त्या कामगारांकडे कसलीच सर्टिफिकेटीची म्हणजे केली वचना. त्यांच्याकडे प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेट ना, क्वालिफिकेशन ना. म्हणजे जे लायनमॅन वायरमॅन आसा हो पोस्ट ह्या पोस्टा खातीर हे कामगार घेतलेले आसा आणि त्यांच्याकडे कसलीच म्हणटा ती सर्टिफिकेट प्रॉपर ना. म्हणजे जाय तशें आपल्याक जाय जाय त्या लोकांक हांगा भरपाची प्रक्रिया सुरू केल्ली आसा. आमी हेका स्ट्रॉंगली ओपोज करता आणि पार्टी लेवल सुद्धा आमचो एक स्टँड आसा. पहिली म्हणजे ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टम आसा ती खंय तरी ही बंद जावपाक जाय आणि जे इतल्या वर्सां जे काम करीत आयला त्यांचो खंय तरी प्रॉपर म्हणजे त्यांचे रेग्युलरायझेशन आसा ते जावपाक जाय.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.